The cell cycle is a natural process resulting in cell division and growth.
Tumors are formed by the surplus of mutated cells. Mutation is when the DNA inside the cell gets damaged or changed. Apoptosis is the process of natural cell death that eliminates injured organs. Metastasis is the spread of cancer from one part of the body to another.
In the process, individual cells must break away from the tumor and invade nearby vessels. The cells crawl along the surface of other cells and the fibrous, stringy structure surrounding them and then force their way in. Shown here is the invasion of the blood supply. Once inside a blood vessel, the cancer cells may perish from a variety of causes. Some cells die simply because they are unable to survive floating around in the bloodstream. Others may become damaged and die when they squeeze through tight spaces or bump into the walls of the blood vessels. Still other migrating cells may be recognized and destroyed by cells of the immune system. How and where the migrating cells stop is different for different cancer types. Once the tumor cells are no longer moving, they can begin the process of forming a new tumor by leaving the blood vessel and beginning to reproduce in the new location. This does not always occur.
Benign means non-threatening and non-cancerous. A malignant tumor is a harmful tumor.
Genes are pieces of DNA which contain information for making specific proteins. Sometimes the cells can be affected by outside factors. These are known as carcinogens. Natural carcinogens include radon gas and ultraviolet light. There are also lifestyle carcinogens, most commonly tobacco and smoking.
Carcinoma is a cancer which originates from the skin.
Sarcoma is a cancer that begins in the bone, cartilage, fat, muscle, blood vessels, or any supportive or connective tissue. An oncogene is a normal cell growth that has transformed into a harmful cell. A tumor suppressor gene, or anti-oncogene, is a gene that protects the cell from one step on the path to cancer. When this gene is mutated to cause a loss or reduction in its function, the cell can progress to cancer, usually in combination with other genetic changes.
Chemotherapy is a procedure using drugs that destroy the cells that are rapidly dividing. This treatment usually follows surgery to prevent a recurrence. Chemotherapy damages natural cells such as hair follicles and the production of red and white blood cells. Other treatments include physical surgery and laser surgery.